You know what? Losing your phone can be painful. It will be as if the whole world is crashing on you, especially when you have a lot of information in it, or when your phone carries a lot of information. But I advise you, make sure you share your information very well. Save some online because it wasn't easy when it happened to me. So let me show you how you can track your phone. This is a laptop, but in case you are using phone, it's the same thing. Sometimes you might not even know the IMEI of your phone. In case you don't know that, the first thing you will do, if you know your Gmail and your password, then you will find your IMEI of the phone. And that's the first thing you will do to start tracking your phone. I lost my phone recently. Let's track it together. So first of all, make sure that the phone you are using or the PC, the computer, is connected to internet. So what I'm going to say here is find my phone. You can say Google find my phone or just find my phone. So here say iCloud, but it's an Android phone, so let me use Google find my phone. This is it. I open this UI. So you can see this is my phone, and it says last seen September 5. So let me go details. So this is my phone. It got lost. So here now, let's try and contact the device. Here, once the phone is not connected to internet, it's going to show you the last place where the phone was seen. So it's still checking, and you wait a little bit. Make sure you are still connected to internet. So it says can't reach the device. So let me find more information about the device and see whether I can help us. So I'll click here now. I'll click on this form of eye. I'll click here. As you can see, the device information. This is the IMEI. That is it. I'll copy it because I'm going to use it and track the phone more. This is the time it was registered, and this is the time it was seen last. So try to track the phone using the IMEI I just copied. If you can't copy it, you can write it down. So I'll start by saying track IMEI. It's a website. IMEI. I'll click enter. So track IMEI.net. Then let me check this. So it said this is a track IMEI. This home reportive about whatever. So here it says please enter your IMEI number. So I'll click here now, and then I'm going to paste that and paste the IMEI again. Search your device with IMEI. Let me search again. This particular website is not working. There is the status here. So let's try another one. Let's try another website. and we're going to use IMEI tracker this time around. Because IMEI tracker, as you can see it here. So say track IMEI. So say IMEI-tracker.com. Track IMEI. Let's paste it here again. In case it's not pasting, what you are going to do, you have to write it one after the other. Let me say 3. So let me search it. I will choose a country where it's possibly to be located or where I lost. I'm going to choose my country. So you choose your own country. Track IMEI. So you wait for it to search it. So it's connecting. Successfully connected to satellite. Importing the hash key. Well, just wait. There's a lot of information going on here. We'll scroll up. You can see it very well. Okay, so your device has been located. Please complete 2 offer to get redirected to your numbers location. From a look of a thing here, that's if this will work out. So let's click on get phone position and see. Saying identity verification required. So click on that. It says view more. Send SMS to download best game now. Enter phone number to watch all the best video online now. See here is giving some option before you can see your phone. So you say to watch this requires money. Checking for completion. So let's wait, but while we wait, let's check another website that does the same thing, and it's called I think spike.com. Yeah, it should be Spike. Is the name, spike.com. So these guys claim to also track your phone, but it's paid. So let's visit the website and see. But let's check this one again. It's still checking for completion. So this is the website. This is called the spyic.com. And here, if you go through it, it has a sign up for free. You have a view demo. Then you have a pricing. So let's see. There's basic here, there's premium, there's family. I think this particular website is meant for technicians, because that's for Android. Let's see for iOS. iOS is more expensive. Goes almost $1,000. So then let's go back to the home and see the view demo version. So click on view demo. So this is a typical of how this works. So give you date. Let's assume you are tracking for iPhone S10. So you have a dashboard course content. It will even give you 5 most recent calling contacts. And that thing here is where it will show you where you can locate your phone. And they have other things. Please, if you know any other way you can track phone using any other means, you can let us know through the comment. If your phone is on, you can use this and locate your phone. It's as easy as ABCD. So that's just it. So I can try one here now and we'll see the phone. So that's just it. So now you can see one phone here now. So you can see this phone is located. Online location is turned off. So it's also advisable that you have to turn on your location, especially when you're on transit or somewhere, so that your phone can easily be located. So this is the phone I'm using now. It's online, but the location is turned off. So let me refresh this and see whether I can contact it. So I cannot contact this because the location is turned off. Maybe try, but it's playing sound. So it plays sound, but it cannot contact it because the location is turned off. So please, whenever you're on a transit or wherever you are, try and turn on your location, your phone location. If it's not on, just check on it. Check it on site, you see it, turn it on, because it will help you to locate your phone if your phone is still on when it's lost or when it fell off. So that's how it's done. Though, if this has helped you, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video